Whoa. That's awesome. Whoa, it's erupting.
No, it's a real volcano.
It's a real volcano.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
What are we gonna do today?
I'm gonna do the volcano video.
We're gonna do a volcano?
With this pack,
Oh.
this side,
We're also gonna say lots of cool facts about them, right?
in water.
And water.
Okay. There's one more thing. And that's it.
That's it?
Yes. It's the time to shine.
The mold of the volcano.
It's like a circle.
Right? So it's gonna be like this when we take it off, of course. But right now, it has to be like this so that we can put the mold in.
The most important is powder. A little bit, a lot.
A lot.
Now let's pour some water in here. Oh, I think this is gonna be hard.
Yeah.
Yep. Now we're going to pour some inside the volcano. Now we're gonna let it sit to dry.
We're gonna let it dry, right? You excited?
It's ready dry now.
So as we wait for it to dry, can you tell me some cool facts about volcanoes?
It was magma.
Magma, what is magma?
Hot liquid rock.
Hot liquid rock, correct.
Lava is outside and magma is, when it erupts, is inside.
Inside, when it erupts, it's called lava. When it's inside still the volcano, it's called a magma, right? And it's hot liquid rock.
Hi guys, welcome back. Now it's hard.
It is hard.
Pick up the rope back. One. And the other one, this is gonna be explode like that.
Like that.
You don't see you.
We still have to paint it, right?
Get it out. Wow.
What? This is cool, huh, Dad? Pretty heavy. What are we gonna do next?
Now we're gonna paint the volcano with the black and the gray, red and yellow.
Gray, red, and yellow.
Now let's do it. Gray, red, yellow.
Yeah, Mommy put all the paint right here, right? Where are volcanoes usually located?
Color technique.
Good job. Paint it. Go.
Help me, Mommy.
I'm going to help you.
Yeah.
Let me get a brush. Where is the tallest volcano located?
What?
In Hawaii. Good job. How about where's the tallest volcano in our solar system?
Mars.
In Mars. Good job. Tallest volcano in our solar system is in Mars, and it's called Olympus Mons.
I did a lot and you did
I did a little bit.
You did a lot.
Oh my God, Mommy.
I did it from here inside the lava.
And inside the lava? Most volcanoes are usually located in the Pacific Ocean. And what is it called?
Fire.
The Ring of Fire. Good job. The Ring of Fire. That's where 75% of our volcanoes are located, right?
Yeah, volcanoes in land. And yeah, volcanoes under the ocean.
Yeah, we do. We have volcanoes in the land and we have volcanoes in the ocean. Good job.
I want to make a lava.
The lava? We're gonna put the sodium Bi in it.
Sodium from a periodic table again.
It is from your periodic table. Citric acid.
Citric acid.
We're gonna put citric acid in now. Isn't that crazy?
Water.
Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go. Erupting. Whoa.
Look. Mama, I want you to touch it with me.
You want me to touch it with you?
Yes, Mommy. I want to touch it first.
Wow. That's awesome. Whoa, it's erupting.
No, it's a real volcano.
It's a real volcano.
Once the lava goes down, it makes these cool rocks. Look at these. Here's one, and here's the other one, and here's the other one.
And you know what's inside these cool rocks?
No. We're gonna break the rocks and we're gonna see what's inside.
To see what's inside? To see how it looks inside? Okay, let's go outside then. We're gonna put this cool rock inside. And we're gonna break it, right? To see how it looks inside? Put it inside. Whoa, look at how nice this is.
My turn. Look at this.
This is what lava makes. Look at. Isn't that awesome?
This is awesome.
So this is from the volcano, right? When the hot lava cools down, it makes these cool rocks. And this is the inside of the rocks. This is so pretty. Cool, huh? Look at how beautiful this is. That's awesome.
We're back inside. We're baking in the rocks.
This is what volcanoes do.
Yeah. Look over there. Like that. All of it?
Mm-hmm. What is it called when it erupts?
Lava.
Lava. Good job. Go ahead and pour the water. Right now it's magma because it's inside the volcano. Now it's lava.
Yeah, I can find it.
Isn't that awesome?
Find it. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you like my video. Volcano video.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Give me 5. Yeah!